everyone, so today I have BTS's Memories of 2016 and I will just be doing an unboxing for it. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay. Wait. Okay, so oh my god, school started today and I'm so tired, so I'm really sorry if I don't make sense. I don't make sense at all. So yeah, so here's the front. So yeah, the picture from Young Forever, and at the bottom it has the contents, I believe. Then the back. Okay, it's not focusing, but here's the back. And the official logo and sticker, of course. So let's actually start with the CD first. So this is the CD. It has the Young Forever picture. Okay, let me put this aside. Young Forever picture. And it says about Monster, Suga, Jin, J-Hope, Jimin, V, and Jungkook. And stuff. Here's the back. Yeah, so this is actually really gorgeous. So we have BTS Memories of 2016, and here what's the CD basically just looks like this, and you can't really see it, but it has like, it says BTS and 16 here, and that's really cool, honestly. Okay, here's the photo book. Okay, it's the bottom. Yeah, so let's just go through it.
Yo girl, I wanna tell you this, that you're my Miss Right. You're my Miss Right, Miss Right. 널 놓친다면 Miss Right, Miss Right. You're my Miss Right, Miss Right. Girl, you want my kiss right, Miss Right. 너의 sexy mind and your sexy body. 뇌주름 하나같이 섹시하게 태어난 여자. 그대 청반 바지와 흰 티에 컨버스 하나 that makes me wanna party on your body. 찰랑이는 긴 머리끝, 싱그러운 골반이 지저귀는 한편의 숲 같은 너. 두 속에서 반짝여. 그 비현실적인 몸으로 내 현실을 안아줘. And I want you to be really really real for me. 때론 나의 어머니, 때때로 나의 에너지. Yo, 난 솔직해. 겉으로도 너무 nice해서 긴장을 놓칠 수 없는 나의 enemy.
Okay, so the photo card that I got is the Blood and Tears, and I'm really happy because I wanted this anyways. It's so pretty. I'm really happy. I really wanted this, or the fire one, so I'm really glad.
어쩜 사람이 그래 세상을 혼자 사는 듯한 착각이 드네 내 곁을 지나는 그대 내 맘에는 너라는 달콤한 바람이 부네 너 딱히 꾸미지 않아도 매력이란 양술 뿌리겠지 아마도 신은 없다고 믿었었던 나마저도 신을 믿게 만들어 나에게 여신은 바로 너 네가 어리던 말던 나이가 많던 숨긴 나이가 있던 나는 상관없어 내가 널 사랑하거든 너와 함께라면 어디든 꽃이 핀 garden 명품백을 주기보단 내 손을 잡아주는 질투심과 시기보단 됨됨이를 알아주는 그런 너와 함께 우리의 미래 그려봐 우리 커플 신발 사이에 어린이 운동화
너는 내게 최고 너의 하루를 알고 싶어 너의 한숨이 되고 싶어
것 같아 내 맘을 흔든 주인공이야
앞에 나 끌리는 것 같아 자석처럼 지금 바로 너한테 너의 삶 너의 맘 너의 페이스도 너의 라인 마치 퍼즐 조각 마냥 내 이상형을 맞춘 사람 너란 날씨에 끌리는 바람 꽃 나는 벌 항상 널 향해 난 가는 girl
Yo, I told you many qualifications about my Miss Right, but why you're my Miss Right is you are just you.
So that is it. Let me put everything back. Okay. I'm so happy I got this, honestly. It's really sturdy as well. It's just really beautiful, honestly. Okay. So that is it for this unboxing. I hope you guys like this video. And yeah, so I have my summer package. And I will be doing a quick video of it as well. And hopefully I get this video up by tonight. Yeah, bye.